Yeah, I need cash to match on the road to the platinum plaques. Gotta lead a block alone too, busy copping zones when really I should be trying to cop a home. Shut up, bitch, and roll this weed. It ain't that cush if you rollin' C's. No, I'm a dub, we ain't gotta pop up, we can all get it in with the old ease. My arm on freeze, -2 degrees, bitch. Don't think I'ma cop you one of these. I'ma Mac mine, so back up, bitch. Like a pimp, you get smacked up quick. Hold on your place when an act exists. Who you know spitting that crack like this? Who you know put PA on his back like this? Bring the whole East back like this. This my writers on the wall, most writers gonna fall. Get so high, Apollo 13. This a fight you just might not win. I'm rocking you just Apollo Creed. Smoke weed till I zone out. Most smokers gonna fold out. So much weed in the air, niggas don't care. Think I blew like a whole ounce. I'm not new to this. Your favorite rap's just tuna fish. Beef with me, then you to diss. Sushi, you to fish. Disturbing the peace, no ludicrous. I get rude with this. Make bitches get down new to this. No DJ clue to this. Little nigga, I make major moves with this. You don't know what to do with this. It's nickel.
Shut up, bitch. Better get my nut up quick. Straight roll, never cut up shit. But up bricks, chop it down, cop a pound, naked and about the strip. She Lorraine about it. You let her chop your man off. I be in your pocket. You will never get a hand off. The market's where I'm sharpening up to part your hair. I grind so much, I shine so much, you will be blind. You catch a glare. I am like a bear. Brian